Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. There's this product actually uh I want to suggest to you because of it's super make me easy uh to open a pile or bucket of paint because it's so hard usually. So this thing, okay, so I don't know what it's called, so let's look into the pictures and of the yeah, portable barrel opener, plastic orange. Okay, some of the pictures and of the and also the uh okay, description. But okay, it's only 1 ringgit 65. I bought three already. Specification. Okay, I will leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy. So let's unboxing, or just let's look into the product. So there's three colors here. uh the one that I bought is yellow, orange, and yeah, yellow. So okay, okay. It's very light, and then I'm gonna do another video how to open the paint bucket with this. It's only like 1 second to open the pile of the bucket. Usually it's very hard. So thank you very much for watching. So this is the Dior 4K unboxing for this barrel opener, paint barrel opener. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.